Together, we will review the previous employment section of Adam's application for a part time job as a game designer. Company is the name of Adam's last workplace, Funville Grocery Store. Phone is the phone number for the company where Adam worked. Address is the mailing address of the company where Adam worked. This includes street, city, state, and zip code. Supervisor is the first and last name of Adam's last supervisor. Job title is the name of the position that Adam had. Starting salary is how much per hour he was paid when he began working at the grocery store. Ending salary is how much he was paid when he stopped working at the grocery store. Responsibilities are the tasks that Adam did at work: add new products to the shelves, throw away expired and damaged products. From is the month and year that Adam started working. To is the month and year that Adam stopped working. Reason for leaving: to find a job as a game designer. Yes, you may contact Adam's previous supervisor.